everybody, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Kana.
And we have a very exciting collaboration happening today. I'm fangirling a little bit, but I'm gonna keep it cool. We are collabing with the Sorry Girls.
Oh my gosh.
The challenge is that the Sorry Girls went thrift shopping for us, and we went thrift shopping for the Sorry Girls, and we're gonna receive each other's packages and then make fall decor out of whatever mystery items the other team sent over.
So let's get cracking and unboxing.
I feel like this
Oh, that's cool.
could be something.
There's so much you can do with old books.
Kelsey, you need. If you don't know, I have baby raccoons.
I feel like this is good.
That's cute.
I love it.
Can we ship this? Wait, our limit is $50. It comes in at $60.
Okay, we're back. We have our items and we're gonna package them up and send them off to Kenna and Ashley.
Oh my god. All right, off to the post office.
Well, this is one beautiful package, I have to say.
It is.
Okay, unboxing time.
Oh, I see something foldable in there.
What? And this already is like kind of cute. Okay, item 1 is a magazine holder.
This is kind of like what we sent them.
What is it?
I think it's a spice rack. Also very cute. Wow.
Okay. Item number 3. Oh, wait, but there's more. There's a lot of things we can do with these.
People are gonna get mad that we were destroying books.
I'm sorry, Nifty Audio. This is good.
We gotta unsend our box.
I know. Okay, I think we need to do some research, raid the props room for some supplies, and do some ultimate flipping.
Woohoo!
Since this was the first item out of the box, I thought it was only right that this be my first project. I decided to take the fabric off entirely because it was very old and stained and questionable. Then I wanted to use the frames as the base for some woven art. I had to unscrew them only to realize then that they were still attached. So then I had to use a saw. I separated them, finally used some hot glue, and then I had the perfect base to start some woven art. I have never done anything like this before, so this was kind of a test run. I kind of wish I picked a color that looked less like doll hair, but I think it is autumnal in some sense. So I made 3 big braids and then tied some white yarn as well. On the second one, I did that all in white, and then I used the orange color to tie off the ends on some braids. I wish the braids had all come out straight, but overall I think it was a cute little project and I'm happy with how it turned out for my first try.
Alright, so I'm gonna get started on my project. The first item I'm gonna start working on is the tea caddy. If there's ever a time for a nice hot cup of pumpkin spice tea, it is fall. The first thing I'm gonna do is ditch this chicken wire, and it looks a little bit dangerous. I kind of want to keep this simple because I want the tea to stand out as the main feature, so I think I'm just gonna completely paint it white and then add like a more like metallic orange fall themed trim. The base of it is here, it just really needs a good paint job and to be upgraded to look like it's from 2019. I'm real happy with how this turned out, and I think it's gonna look so cute on the countertop or in my kitchen, and I can't wait to make a cup of tea with it. So the next project I'm going to be working on are these old Charles Dickens books. So the first thing I did was wrap the wreath base in a bunch of pages so that if I did have any little gaps, you wouldn't be able to see the wreath base under it. I decided to use hot glue on this because I thought it would dry fast and be the sturdiest option, but a hot tip is don't apply it straight to the styrofoam. That's why I wrapped the whole wreath base in the pages, because otherwise it would melt. And then I cut out a leaf shape by using a template and just repeated that about 50 times so that I had enough leaves to cover the whole base. Once the wreath was covered completely with leaves, I wanted to make a focal point. I know people do get a little bit mad when we cut up books, but these books were not going to be read anytime soon, and they've already been thrifted twice now. So it's a really great way to upgrade something that is not going to be used or thrown in a landfill. And I think I'm going to give this as a gift to my friend who really loves reading.
This last project was the one that I am most excited about, the clock. I decided to turn it into a little ghostly terrarium. The first thing I had to do was scrub down that top. It was a little beaten up. Then I glued down a tiny little tombstone and some moss. I also found these little dried flowers that I glued behind the tombstone to add some dimension. Then I drew the silhouette of a witch on the clock to make it look like she's flying over the town, the tombstone town, I guess. And the most fun part was making the ghosts that go all around the glass. What I did was I used Sharpie to draw a little face on the inside, and then I covered the entire drawing that I had just done with white paint. So then on the outside, it was totally smooth, you couldn't see any paint lines, and I had these ghosts flying around my tombstone town terrarium.
I'm so stoked with how mine turned out.
I am truly taken aback by this review.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much to the Sorry Girls for collaborating with us. So excited to see what they make with our box.
So excited.
Check the link in the description to watch the video that they made where they are making over the items we sent to them. And we will see you next time.
See ya!